Hey, I'm Reed.
And I'm Byron from Inline Hockey Training, and I have some drills to help you with the transitions from forward to backward and backward to forward. Pivots are basically transitioning from forward to backwards or backwards to forwards. Practicing these drills will also help you when changing directions quickly. During this drill, I'm trying to skate in a circle while always facing the same direction. Be sure to go both directions. Now let's go over how to do the pivot at the top and bottom of the circle. At the top of the circle is where you will be transitioning from forward to backwards. To begin a pivot, I let my skate on the inside of the circle drift forward. Then I go up on my toes and turn my skates 180 degrees. At the bottom of the circle, you will be pivoting from backwards to forwards. To do this while skating backwards, pick up your inside foot, open up your hips, and set down your foot pointing the direction you want to go. Turning your shoulders first will help initiate the turn. This is also called a Mohawk Turn. Facing one direction while skating a figure eight is a great way to practice pivots. Thanks for watching. Hope these helped you with your pivots.
And be sure to like and subscribe down below.